A very good day to Mrs. Suri. My name is Chisan and I'm the representative from Group 1 of our video presentation about prototype Edu-On-The-Go that is going to help tackle the difficulties of underprivileged children receiving good quality education. First and foremost, in order for us to gain a better insight and deeper understanding for the underprivileged children, we have tried placing ourselves in their shoes to get their point of view. The scenario we have picked is a little boy named Adam who's an underprivileged child that longs to get better education alongside with other children, yet he has limited educational resources due to financial reasons. Thus, moving forward with our ideation such as collaborations with NGOs, hands-on learning, fundraising, incentives as motivation for the children, and even reaching out to sponsors through various methods. Do you know that hands-on learning is proven to be more effective at helping students grasp at what they are taught? There's no shortage of studies that show hands-on learning has a significant impact. Another study found that students who didn't engage in hands-on learning were 1.5 times more likely to fail a course than students who did. After the ideation sets in, we have to consider the setbacks and difficulties. One of the most common setbacks are finances, like coming up with funds to build and sustain the project for the long run, such as bills and maintenance. Furthermore, the lack of awareness of the public about the issues faced by underprivileged children may discourage the project, as they would not be able to grasp on why we did what we do. Time consumption is also one of the setbacks, as the project would take an estimated time of 3 months more or less and requires a lot of manpower to renovate the truck and container inside out. So exactly what is our product in detail? Edu-On-The-Go is a mobile library, tuition center and educative playhouse that will take place in a 40-feet shipping container that will constantly be on the move. Our product's target audience are underprivileged children ranging from preschool to high school. Underprivileged children can also sign up for internships to work as tutors or even just as helpers. As for our operating hours, we're aiming to make it work almost around the clock from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. What does our product contribute to society exactly? It provides after-class tuition services for the kids, and what makes us different is not only the fact that we're mobile. But hands-on skills in Malaysia is not as common as it should be, and Edu-On-The-Go provides that. Edu-On-The-Go also helps motivate students and increases empathy among children because of its collaborative and comfortable space to build better understanding of each other's social backgrounds. We also help save costs as underprivileged children get to learn books for free. So what are the steps taken in order to make our idea come alive? As I have given a deeper insight on understanding the needs and ideation, the only thing left to do is to make sure our prototype space works by building a 3D model using a design software. Then we drive forward to getting a second-hand shipping container to save costs in order to splurge more on the construction and decorating an innovative and brain-stimulating environment for the underprivileged children. The final touches needed to be taken from Ms. Percenti's feedback was to make a proper shift schedule, get a unique tagline, and understanding the concerns of where would our truck go and park. Our 40-feet container, Edu-On-The-Go, mobile library consists of several functional spaces such as the study area, kids play area, and quiet room for private studies. Also, there is a quiet counter available for when students require help from tutors. The mobile container carries sufficient tools and materials such as computers, touchscreens, monitor, as well as educational books to help make learning a fun experience for the children. As you can see, this is our tagline, Education Crafts the Soul. Now you can see the exterior of the truck is brightly colored. The reason is due to the fact that research shows that children tend to prefer bright colors. This is because saturated colors are easier for young, developing eyes to see. Hence, the reason why children's toys and items normally comes in bright colors. The main entrance consists of the operation board and the task board for the day. As of the pandemic, we have installed the temperature scanner and hand sanitizers made available for the safety of the children in Chow Kit. When you step into the container, you can see the duty list timetable for staff and tutor on duty, and you can even find the counter. Not only that, there will be a notice board to pin up the important notes and a drop box to return books after borrow so that you don't have to line up really long to return your books. And there's also a recycle bins to teach children on the importance of recycling, and a tablet to search any book that you need and to see if it's available. And there are boxes to store more things just for extra storage, as we will constantly update on more new books according to subject and age level. And there will also be a standing desk that will consist of a desktop to do online assignments and search for information quicker. There's also a window seat for children who might want to sit down and relax for reading a book. And this is our collapsible whiteboard that is a 2-in-1. The front is a whiteboard and the back is a more traditional chalkboard. So there's also another bookshelf, and there's a 2-in-1 shelf and stool. Just in case our container is getting more crowded and there isn't enough seating space, we can always convert it to a stool. And there's also a seat cushion and a touchscreen monitor to look for more information. So there's also a stationery corner just in case the kids have forgotten to bring their own stationeries, and there's also a water dispenser and a drawing board for when the children feels like getting a bit more creative. So we will also display the kids' artwork as decoration in order to encourage that they're doing a good job. And also one of the incentives is we're going to even attach a wheel of prize after completing tasks so that they are able to feel motivated to do more. So there's also the choir room and a toilet. So this is the kids learning and playing area where we will provide color pencils and blocks to play with. And there's also a portable tent for occasional outdoor learning. And this is the choir room where it will just consist of a simple long desk and a desktop for people to research on what they need to do. This is the toilet. So this is our collapsible whiteboard that is meant to be built portable because we will occasionally pull out the whiteboard to take it as an outdoor learning activity. So this is the overall plan and top view of how our truck would look like. This is the front view. This is the other view of the other side of the container. This is the view from the main entrance when you first step into the container. So this is the truck when it is on its side contacts to show how it would be like when it's on the go. Lastly, I would like to thank my teammates Jane, Jessie, Natalie, Samantha, Edison, and Jalen for the hard work they put in within these 14 weeks. Not only that, thank you Mrs. Surrey for the guidance you have provided us and the listening ear since the beginning of this presentation. I will end it here with a quote by Nelson Mandela: "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Thank you.